Hey everyone, Anthony here. Welcome to the channel. And also, welcome to a new series called Thrift Flip Terrariums. That's correct. In this series, I'm going to be turning secondhand glassware into stunning, budget-friendly terrariums using only thrift store finds, locally sourced wood, decorative rocks, moss, and even native plants from my nature walks. So if you love DIY, upcycling, and bringing greenery into your space without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Each episode, I'll take a thrift store treasure. Right now, you're looking at the first 5 choices. And my budget that I set for myself was $3 a container. So nothing up there was over $3. And in each episode, I'll transform something unexpected into a living, breathing mini ecosystem. Plus, I'll share expert tips on care, terrarium design, and how to source materials for next to nothing. So if you're ready to turn old glass into a fresh green space, hit that subscribe button and let's get started with today's build. Okay guys, so this was the lamp that had the red base. Now, I cleaned all the red off. That was not difficult at all because a lot of it was flaking. So I really did it with an SOS pad. And I wanted to keep it as a lamp originally, but it was on the reverse. So the widest was part down here and the little tiny area was up on top. I thought it would have been awesome to keep it as a lamp and put the terrarium in it. Unfortunately though, there would be no way to get into the terrarium to do any maintenance at all the way it was. So I made the decision to flip the globe on its end and bolted it through. It's been siliconed, it's cured now, so it's ready to plant. Now I know this is not typically what we would use in the hobby as a terrarium container. This is a special build. I have a older sister that is disabled, and we rely on caregivers to come in, and she's had a very, very special caregiver that has since gone on to other job, but comes and visits her every day off she has, and she has become a part of our family. So I picked this for her because she's a fancy kind of girl, and I know she's gonna love this shape and the silhouette and the coloring of it. I'm gonna go really super easy on the planting because I fully expect probably that she would use this to put maybe even fresh flowers in or something else. But I'm gonna go ahead and dress it up as a terrarium. She knows I do this as a hobby. And so she doesn't know she's getting it. It's gonna be a surprise. So what I was thinking is I'm gonna go really, really easy. I've got one of my local Texas ferns that I think I'm gonna use it as the main plant. And then I'll put a couple other things in there, maybe a few rocks and a wooden structure, and that's about it. I wanna go really simple. I'm not gonna go like I normally do and just overkill it. But let me gather some things up and we'll get planting. Okay, so here I'm just putting in now the native Texas fern. And I picked this up in one of the trails that I frequent. Especially right now in the wintertime, I figure if it's thriving like this right now, it should be great for her because I don't know how much of a plant lover she is. And then I have the aluminum, and then I'm also going to plant the rattlesnake plant, which the aluminum and the rattlesnake are 2 of my favorites. And so I really wanted to put those in there with it as well. Okay, so now I've just put the rocks in,
and I'm still putting the rocks in. And then I've already got some moss cleaning it out. Even though I grow my moss in my tubs, I always rinse it out before I put it into a terrarium build just in case. It's difficult to see through the sides, so I'm trying to give you guys a top look down to see what it looks like. And this is truly super, super simple for me because normally I'll start with, some big plants and, crowd the thing in there. But since this is going to be a gift, I just wanted to do it like minimalist and, not really go overboard on it. Okay, so I really wanted that stick to go in, but I didn't want to break it. And I was kind of saving this one for another build that I'm going to do where I'm going to try and do a waterfall. But it really, once I get it turned around, it really fits so much better in there. So I thought, okay. But I need to go out and forage for some more sticks because I've pretty much used up the majority of my smaller ones. And that's basically it for right now. That it's done. I do need to put something between the glass and where the base starts because you can see the rubber seal there. So I want to, be able to take care of that.
Okay, got it. It's been watered, cleaned. So here you have it. Thrift Flip Terrariums. This is going to be the one we're going to call the lamp. And I think basically I've got definitely less than $6 in this. So it's a great budget build. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Leave me a comment whether you like it, what you have done. The challenges we had as far as I needed to turn it upside down to gain access to it as a terrarium. I probably will still look for more lamps to see if there's a lamp out there that I can use and keep it as a lamp. I think that would be amazing. So I'll be on the lookout for that. But you guys have a great night. Bye-bye.